Hey everybody, Tanya from Shooting Star SVG back, and tonight I want to talk to you guys about how to make a video for your Etsy listings. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos, so that way you can grow your business and change your life. For those of you who have been on Etsy for some time, and for those of you who are just starting out, Etsy has rolled out a video feature on the listings. And so what that means is you have the capability to upload a video showcasing your work as either a final product or other things. And Etsy's kind of running this experiment right now where if you do have a video in your listing, it gets a bit more of a boost in the search results. And so I've been kind of playing around with this for a while, and I utilize Placeit to create videos for Etsy listings, which I believe I've talked about in another video, and if so, I'll link it up above. I just can't recall if I did or not. And I was just thinking outside the box today, and I was like, wait a second, I could just like take some of my reviews and slap them together in a video. So that's what I did. So I'm gonna hop over to my computer screen real quick, and you guys can see the 12 seconds of madness that I threw together in about 15 minutes, okay? So here we go. Pretty simple, right? So all I did was I went into my back office and I went to my reviews, and I scrolled through my reviews so that way I could find some that actually had words below it, and I just utilized the name and the date and what the words were. And obviously I'm just choosing 5-star reviews here because, well, it'd be kind of silly to put a 1-star review in your slide rule. And to get this completed, all I did was use Canva. So I went to Canva and I just typed in video presentation, okay? And I basically started off with a blank video presentation, okay? And that's gonna open up a new file. Then it'll probably take a few seconds to load. And going to my uploads, I do have these watercolor swatches here. If you're interested in those, let me know. I think it was like a few bucks on Design Bundles, and I purchased them because I thought they looked nice. And I utilized that as the background, so I just click on this one here, and I'm just going to drag this out and center it to the best of my ability. And then I had these little 5-star icon that I created and just threw like a gold glitter background over it. Okay, and I centered that on the page towards the bottom. And then I went to text, and this one worked well for me, so I just inserted that and sized it the way that I needed to. You don't have to utilize the same kind of method that I'm doing right now, okay? But basically all I did was I changed out the color swatch with a pink and an orange, and adjusted the text. And to adjust this, I just ungrouped it and obviously moved this up to the top. I resized it a bit, obviously resized this to make it bigger, and put that here. Trying to find the center here. There we go. And then basically copy and pasted that and threw that here, and then added in my words, and then that was it, right? And then just duplicated the slide. What that ended up being is this here. So I have typed in Etsy reviews, the person's name, the date, and then exactly what they said in the review. I duplicated the page and then changed out the swatch, okay? And to do that, you actually can just drag it and it will swap it out the same size, okay? And then I did that one more time, and then I just duplicated these and added in the words that I needed to add in. I made sure that the timer was set to what I want it to be. So Etsy video listings can be 5 to 15 seconds. So I just did 6 slides, 2 seconds a slide. If I wanted to up that, I probably could, but I just no need. And then I added in some effects. And then when I was done, I just made sure I played it to make sure it was kosher. And then I downloaded it in an MP4 video format, okay? So I'm gonna actually go ahead and go to my listings, and you guys can see me upload this now. And we'll take a look and see. My computer's being a little funny right now with my, I gotta restart it. I basically am running too much stuff, so it's kind of crashed on me. But I'm gonna go ahead and upload this to this listing and click publish. And then what I'm gonna do is view this on Etsy. And you can see when I open this up in a larger size and I click next, this shows up and it's like really, really cool looking. So if you don't have any ideas for an Etsy video, you can definitely utilize Canva. If you all noticed when I was on Canva, I don't have my pro subscription right now because I don't use it that often. And so if I need a pro feature for something, then maybe I'll go use it. Or if I'm trying to do a tutorial. In this case, I don't need it for anything, but you can get a free 30 days. There's a link in the description box below. So just go ahead and click on that and you can get a free 30 days of pro. But I did all of this with free version of Canva. Okay, so that's all there is to it. That's all there is to it to get a listing, a video in your listings. It took me about 15 minutes to pull all of this together. Now I'm going to go through and add them to my listings. So, I mean, it's pretty straightforward, right? So that's all I got for you guys. If you have any questions, drop a comment below, go over to the Facebook group and we can talk about this. Really, the options are endless for y'all. If you don't have a lot of reviews in your shop because you've just started, you can also utilize this same method to showcase like some of your finished products or some of your process of creating, things of that nature. So just keep that in mind. And as always, if you got something out of this video, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. So that's it, y'all. I'll catch you on the next video.